kids! This is Teacher Ems, your teacher to the rescue. And today, we're gonna have fun learning together. But let's start our day with a fun song. Just follow Teacher Ems. Let's sing our alphabet song together. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we learn this song, you'll see. Ready to read, then we will be. Alligator, bear, cat, and dog. Elephant, fox, goat, and hippo. Iguana, dog. Koala, lion, monkey, nest, otter, pig, queen, and rabbit, seal, and turtle, umbrella, wren, whale, and telephone, yo-yo, zebra. It was fun and now we're done. It's great indeed, now it's time to read. Always remember, kids, recognizing the letter, knowing the sound, and learning how to write the letter are the road to literacy. It's time to look for the mystery letter. Let's sing to find out what is that mystery letter. What is the letter today? What is the letter today? What is the letter today? The letter is, drum roll please. It's letter C. Before we know more about letter C, let's have our story first. Come on, let's sing together. Let us have a story time, story time, story time. Let us have a story time with Teacher Ems.
Cabby Calls a Cab by Elisa Leong. This is Cabby. Cabby is a cat. Cabby is a cute cat. Cabby calls a cab. The cab driver wears a cap. The cop stops the cab.
In our story, cabby, cat, cab, cap, and cop, what letter did they start? Good job! It's letter C. Our lesson for today is letter. What letter is this? As what I've said a while ago, it's letter C. Now, what is the sound of the letter C? The sound of the letter C is C. C. Can you repeat them? C. C. Great job. Now this is the uppercase C and this is the lowercase c. But you can call them Mommy C and Baby C. Again, uppercase C, lowercase c, or Mommy C and Baby C. Before you write, it is important to be familiar with the lines needed to form a letter. Now, how do we write the uppercase C and the lowercase c? We just need one curved line. One curved line for uppercase and another curved line for lowercase c. Don't forget to grab a copy and download the free template of Alpha Build. We are now ready to trace and write letter C using paper and marker. So let's try this. Let's make a curved line. And the lowercase c. We're done tracing the letter C. This time, we will copy the uppercase C and the lowercase c by writing them on the board. Let's get started. The uppercase C first. What do we need? Good job. It's the curved line. And for the lowercase c, we also need one curved line. So this is the uppercase C and this is the lowercase c. Now, let's look at pictures of things around us that begin with the letter C. Don't forget to say the sound first and then tell the name of the picture. Let's start. Cat, cow, cup, cub, clock, carrot, crab, caterpillar. Activity time! Now this is our first activity. This is my letter book C. Don't forget to leave your name here. You may color the pictures or things that start with C. Color the uppercase C to get through the maze, as well as the lowercase c. We also have I Spy the letter uppercase C. You may use a dot marker or color the circles with the correct letter. And spy the letter lowercase c. We also have rainbow right, and you may use your crayons to trace the letter. This is for the lowercase c. We also have dot the letter. Use a dot marker to fill in the letter. And dot the letter lowercase c. You may also use a dice to roll the die and trace a letter on the matching line. So we have here uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, and lowercase letter C. Finally, you may color and read. Color the pictures and read the sentences. Our next and last activity is the letter C craft. Now don't forget to check the description box for the free template. And once you're done with your work, please upload and tag me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's get started. This is what we're going to copy. Caterpillar. That's all for today's video. Hope you learned something from Teacher Ems. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.